I invited to your dance party? No. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Nina, and if you're new here, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. But in this week's video, we are turning a chore into a YouTube video for your entertainment. Yeah. I hope you enjoy. So let's continue.
Sometimes I go to sleep and I cry, asking God why.
Smell my dogs. Smell my dogs.
Okay.
Big flex, but I taught Snow how to do that. So now she rings the bell every time she has to go potty. Look how cute my little doggy is with her little teddy bear. Now this is her with her military collar. I love you, Snow. Watch this, I'm gonna do something really cool. Bam, 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 slay. Cheer if I have a fat ass. Introducing Vivi. After 3 hours, I finally finished.
Round 1. Fight!
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.